Hey YouTube, this is my new BMX bike. It's a DK Effects SIKLON. I want to show you right now. Be quiet. It's a 20.6 inch with these cranks. They're DK too. In all, it weighs 26.7 pounds. Really nice U-brakes I haven't assembled yet. You can put pegs, but I haven't put it on. And it is really nice bike and all. I've already ridden it off dirt jumps and stuff. But I took the pedals off because I'm repainting them purple, really dark purple. So that should be cool. Seat is a DK pivotal seat. It's actually pretty comfortable compared to, those plastic ones you get. They're really bad plastic ones. It's a nice bike. Here's this side. It has really nice quality and all. So there's my new bike. So I didn't upload any videos last week. A little bit packed with stuff. Alright, bye.